हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? सो टुडे आई कम बैक with the latest tool. This is called Latex. You know very well about why we use the Latex. Basically, Latex used for the technical writing of any document for the academician, for the scientific. This is a very good tool where we have to write the technical writing by the tool. First thing, first of all, latex pronounced as a tack, not like the latex glove. Latex is the typest like this is a latex. Here we can see Latex. Actually, what is the latex? Latex is a typesetter where we have to write the text will place in on the page. So we can say that we have to write in the typesetter. First of all, we give the input file via the micro packages. It become a text after output drivers, and finally we find out the output. Here, what will be happen? According the diagram, we can understand when what we have to write something in the file with a coded form, that after that coded form we have to find out the output in a plain text. Unique advantages of latex. Every tool have the advantages and disadvantages. Here we discuss about the advantages of the latex. What are the advantages? So there are many advantages, but some of them which are unique we have to describe here. First one is professional typesetting. This is the best output we have to write as a technically. Secondly, it is the standard of the scientific documents, processing mathematically symbols. And next is the meaning based structuring, where rather than the appearance and knowledgeable and helpful user group, these it's a free and platform independent. Here free means it is a open source technology, and platform independent means it is running on the every OS like as Mac, Linux and Windows, etc. Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? The major disadvantage is it is typical to writing, because this is a tool we have to write in the form of the codes. We can see in the next slide, when we have to write a simple latex document, there is a class slash document class and article, but these class starts with the same beginning and end with the same class slash beginning document, and this is some sample text. These are our text, and after then at the end slash end with the same classes document is the class here. So parts of the latex document slash document classes. So the main feature of the main feature of the latex we have to write in the form of the classes. There are some main classes like as article, report, book, and lighter. These letters, these are the basic classes where we have to write the document. First line of all the latex documents specify the types of the documents in the form of the basic classes. So parts of the latex document environment always starts with the slash begin brackets dash 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 means you have to put the particular class here, and end with the slash end dash 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 means we have to give the particular class, which is given in the beginning, at the beginning. So see here, beginning document is a class, and being equation is also class, and dash 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 we have to put here the statements and the documents, and then first we have to end the equation class, then we have to end the main class, which is document class. The parts of the latex documents here, everything between the document class, where beginning of the documents, when we have to start the beginning, everything comes into the formatting way, because it's a very good tool First, first the section. At this section class, we have to describe every title, subtitles, and subtitles. Here there are some sections. Section is a class, and subsection is a class under the class, and subsection is the class under the class. It represents like as a there is a some heading like as introduction. One dot introduction, this is a heading. Then we have to put some uh, subheading in this introduction, that is given 1.1 formation class. This is the subheading. If I am giving the another subheading into the subheading, then we have to use the subsection. So this tool is also very familiar with the mathematically expression when we have to give this only some basically inputs like as slash alpha slash beta slash gamma, then it provides the symbol of the particular. So we can see here it is also used as super subscripts x power of y. So subscript of y given the x raised to the power y in the form of the calculus, in the form of the integration. So slash int bracket slash int, it gives the double integration. Mathematically expression, we can give the every type of expression. These expression mentioned in the latex tool is very easily. When we have to write in any another tool or in the word, then there is a mismatch of formatting. So that's why we are using the latex. So there is a uh, one equation, quadratic equation, x is equal to dash f fraction bracket starts minus and slash pm and slash sqrt means square root b subscript of 2 minus 4a and brackets close divided by 2a. So what is the output? Here output is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that's why it is a very powerful tool. Via this tool we have to also the include figures and tables in our technical writing by the using some functions and some import some packages like here begin figure and include the graphic sample caption a simple figure, and again we have to end via the figure class by the begin. So we can also use the cross referencing. What is the cross referencing? Cross referencing is we have to put the references at the end of our technical paper, then also mention in the same page. So these are the cross references. So what we have to get, we have to getting starting with the particular latex by the Windows, Linux, and Mac. In the starting, we have discussed because this is the platform independent. So, but when we have to give the input in the latex, then we have to find the output. When we are getting the output, that output in the form of the dot dvi means device independent, ps means post subscript, dot pdf, dot rtf rich text format, dot html hypertext markup language, dot xml extensible markup language. All these formats comes into the latex. When we have to give the out input, then we have to find the output. At the final words, we can say we have already taken your first step by the attending of the session, enjoying the writing and with the latex, spread joy of the using the latex. So at the end, I want to say that here, this is the particular introduction with the latex. What is the latex? We have to discuss only what is the latex tool, but in the my next video I come with the hands-on how we work with the latex. We have to create the sections, create the subsections. Okay, we work with the latex in my upcoming video. So at the end of the that video, this is very useful for you. If this is useful, then you have to like, share with your friends, and subscribe that my channel, because I am definitely come with the next video where we have to hands on the latex, which is very very helpful for everybody who is very familiar to writing the technical or publishing the papers. Okay, thanks guys.